So one of the first things that I want to show you guys is this CSF unit. This unit is for the BMW E30 with the S54 swap. It'll fit E30, E36 with AC. This is considered their CSF BMW S54 swap race spec oil cooler. You can see that this thing is super chunky. This is probably double the width of the stock BMW oil cooler if your car came with one. As you can see, it has the input and output for the oil, and these are little flanges that come out to help you to attach it to the bottom of the radiator. The radiator I ordered, once again, this is a CSF for S54 swap specific E30 radiator. These are the brackets that come to mount that oil cooler down here at the bottom. You know, it's fully adjustable in case I did get another oil cooler that was a little bit larger, but this one's specifically for the CSF unit. So you guys should remember from last time that I typically will get CSF radiators. I'll typically get the E36 unit, and I'll have AMS modify it to where the side tank is integrated into the radiator. Now with CSF, they already have it, especially for the S54 Swapped E30. They integrate the side tank into the radiator itself, and I opted to get this mount, which is super custom. It matches the whole finish and feel on the radiator. This mount is for the fan, which I'll show you what the fan looks like on it now. It is extremely hard to beat this combination, and honestly, this is just absolutely beautiful the way it mounts up, how slick and smooth it is. You can see the mounting points for our holes. Everything lines up as it should. I picked this fan because it has the curved blades, okay? This doesn't have the flat blades, which means that this is going to move more cubic feet per minute, and it's going to be way more efficient when it's moving the air. When you have the flat blades are effective, but they're not as effective as the curved blades. This fan is running well over 2000 CFM, so obviously I have those cooling effects while maintaining being what would be considered a mid to slim line fan, so I won't have any clearance issues. This comes flush with the edge of the bottom of the radiator, so there's no overhang, and it comes with the plug, which allows it to be direct setup with the race German plug that you guys see that I put, that also goes to the temperature switch. Overall, we have this SPA high performance fan connected with the CSF radiators S54 swap radiator for an E30, as well as the CSF radiators or cooling additional oil cooler. And this setup, because as we know, those with S54 swaps and E30s, you run hot. I don't know what it is. The last thing that I would be doing is, of course, my Stewart water pump upgrade to make sure that's also flowing water at a higher rate and more efficiently. And with that combination, we shouldn't have any problems. So, oh, and then of course the last piece I have to show you, which is a beauty piece. This is the top mount cover for the radiator. Big shout out to CSF. Appreciate you guys for making these products to make these swaps a little bit easier for us. That's going to be my cooling setup for the S54 swap on Veronica. And honestly, we should be able to do like a start video in like the next 2 or 3 weeks. So look forward to it.